Let's divide 326 by 2. Hey math adventurers! If you're loving these math explanations, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math content. Alright, let's start our division adventure. We look at the first digit of 326, which is 3. We're dividing 3 by 2. How many times does 2 fit into 3? It fits 1 time. Let's check. 1 times 2 is 2. Now we subtract 2 from 3, which leaves us with 1. Awesome job, we're doing great. We've got a remainder of 1. Now, let's bring down the next digit. Okay team, we brought down the 2, making our new number 12. We're using the remainder 1 and the next digit 2, so we have 12. How many times does 2 fit into 12? It's 6 times. Let's multiply. 6 times 2 equals 12. Subtract 12 from 12 and we get 0. Perfect. You're crushing it. High five. We have no remainder this time. Time to bring down the last digit. Last step, everyone. We bring down the 6, so now we have 6. Our partial is 6, and we're dividing it by 2. How many times does 2 go into 6? You got it, it's 3 times. Let's check. 3 times 2 is 6. Subtract 6 from 6 and we have 0. We're all done. Woohoo, you did it. That's fantastic. We've reached the end of our division. The final answer is 163. So, 326 divided by 2 is 163. Great job, everyone! We just conquered dividing 326 by 2 using long division. Remember, breaking it down step by step makes even big numbers manageable. That's all for this video, Math Stars. Keep practicing and don't forget to check out more fun math adventures on Let's Stud.